How to delete your wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your wallpaper on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. If you have tried doing it on the wallpaper option on your settings and you are still unable to find the delete option, then this video is right for you. What you want to do in order to delete the wallpaper on your iPhone, it's a bit tricky. So first you want to lock your screen, right? Once you lock your screen, you can tap on it and you can open up your lock screen. Then you want to tap and hold on it and you can see it says unlock to edit. So you want to tap and hold and you want to unlock using your face here, right? So in my case, I'll just use password. Once you unlock it, you can see the collections. You'll find all your wallpapers and such here. What you want to do in order to delete a particular one is you can tap and swipe to the right and you can see the delete option right there at the bottom. You can tap and delete, and this way you can go ahead and delete your wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.